from Adriel's Lego World, and today we have the Poe Dameron Lego Star Wars set. This is set 75115, the ages 7 to 14, and this has 102 pieces. And then let's look at the back. So there's some pretty cool stuff. It has like a gun holder. We'll see that in the set. And I'll show you the ones I have. I have Kylo Ren, Captain Phasma, and the Stormtrooper. So let's get a move on. I'm looking into the box. Here's this bag, and then we have this. We have a bit of stickers, and then we have the instruction book. I should have took that out last. Oh wow, there's only one bag. So this is going to be a pretty quick set. So let's get opening it. Okay guys, so here are the pieces, and then let's start building. So here's the instruction manual, and let's start building. Okay guys, here's the Poe Dameron set. So let me show you some parts. I don't want, and then it'll shoot, and then I guess it has like some sort of little thing to breathe. I guess when he's in space. Little right here, little gun that you can take it out and put it on his arm right. Okay, so I guess this is like a little taser, and it shoots, and it's very playable. You can move its legs and everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe. Bye.